Today we received this email from scammers for an apparent bank statement report. The email has one HTML file attached to it, which suggests that it is some type of website. Let's analyze the file. We can see that the file consists of one script tag in which the website contents are written to the HTML stream. However, within the content, characters are replaced with escape sequences and stored in hexadecimal. The code renders a website that is supposed to imitate our hosting provider in hopes that we will try to log in with our account data. Except for some fine details, this fake login page looks very similar to the actual one. Let's go back to the source code. To actually extract some useful information, we need to decrypt this mess. So, instead of writing the content to the HTML stream, let's log it in the console. Bingo! This is the entire HTML file. However, we are only interested in a small portion of this file, the script tag. This enables us to find out what happens once the account data is submitted. Bingo! This code, however, is still obfuscated, so let's make it readable first. Look, the website has recognized the tool the code has been obfuscated with. Let's remove the script tags. And here we go. Jackpot! We can see that the scammers use a Telegram bot to get a hold of the data. We can also see that they both store the API key and the recipient ID. With this information, we can get control of the bot. Now, I could read through the documentation myself, or we can just use some pre-created code. We just need to replace the data with our keys, and bingo! Let's send them a huge amount of messages and teach them a lesson. Because I sent some messages earlier already, the scammers got angry and blocked the bot. Alright guys. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.